I'm Mark Chapman. I'm the Master Carpenter and Managing Director of Arfon Timber Frames. We're based in Carnarvon. We build off-site high-performance timber frame buildings, predominantly using local timber. So this building's all local timber cladding. There's heavy timber sections in there. That's kind of the focus of what it is that we do. We've been trading since November of last year, so 2023. It's kind of grown and grown. We've had a lot of inquiries this year off the back of advertising that we're doing this kind of work. There are 7 people working for us in total, of which 6 people are involved in the kind of manufacturing construction side, and then 1 person's kind of back office program management. So our team's more than 50% women, including Jess, who's in the office. So yeah, it's really nice to see people wanting to get involved in the construction sector. So we got startup funding from the Enterprise Hub, and what that enabled us to do was to get some really important professional memberships for us. So we've joined bodies like the Structural Timber Association, the Alliance for Sustainable Building Products, the Passive House Trust. So the bodies that really represent what we do, they've got a good voice for us, but also particularly the Structural Timber Association, they accredit us as well to say that we're providing work to a really high standard within the industry. The support has enabled us to go on and achieve ISO 9001 and also to achieve the STA Assure Gold, which is the highest standard for structural timber in the industries. It means for our customers that they're able to get good warranties, they're able to achieve certain conditions for their kind of long-term building insurance. We wouldn't have been able to go for those kinds of things within our first year of trading without the support of the Enterprise Hub, Business Wales and Gwynedd Council.